Well, hello. Hello. I was just minding my own business today and I realized I got a package from InterwebKaiju. My good friend Casey. Remember the Bog Boys, the Midnight Hour. You all know them. Unexpected. Casey, you caught me off guard, buddy. Don't worry. You got one coming too. Thank you so much, InterwebKaiju Casey. If you guys have not subscribed to InterwebKaiju, what are you doing? This guy puts out amazing content, and he is our brother, one of our bog bros. So let's see what's inside. Thank you again, Casey. We're going deep inside the bowels of the box. He always really packs his packaging really well. I don't. I need to learn how to pack like this. See, this is how you do it, folks. Load it up. Godzilla cards. Hell yeah. I have one set of those. Looking to add to that. Carnage Park. I have not seen Carnage Park. Dangerous, suspenseful, inventive, incentive. I've heard a lot about this. Mr. Dan was talking about this one, I believe. Thank you so much, dude. Death Kappa. Hell yeah. You know what? I was going to watch this one on stream, but I'm glad to have this one now. Hell yeah. Death Kappa. Those of you aware, I've been doing the Kaiju Theater. What is this? The Milpitas Monster. What is that? That is insane. It looks dope. Milpitas Monster. A monster created from a garbage dump. A local pollution terrorizes. Dude, what is that? This looks badass. Casey, bro, you've already gone way out of your way, dude. Garuda. Casey's keeping me up to speed on my Kaiju Garuda. The day God turns against men. I hope you didn't give me some of the stuff out of your collection, buddy. Thank you so much, dude. Fish piss. I believe this is one that we've been talking about and I've been wanting to check out. Fish piss. Fish piss. This is one that you would think that MVD would have sent me. Fish piss. Fish. Oh my god. I've never had a Kaiju magazine. Shin Godzilla's first reviews dinosaur, monsters, birds, Gamera video game. Kaiju Haiku. Sweet, man. I can't wait to give this a good look. Add to my Kaiju collection. I've been really getting into the Kaijus lately. Like, it's basically, it's like a whole nother genre for me. And it's just, I don't know. It's just taught me a lot about things I didn't know about in terms of movies. As far as aesthetic and all that. Casey, you're the man. You really went above and beyond, dude. And I really appreciate you. And This goes farther than you know. Everybody check out InterwebKaiju. Catch up with you guys later. Camera. Peace.